Nice to see you.
So good to see you.
Yeah.
And what a beautiful property. My
Well,
God.
I'm glad you liked it.
Really looking forward for my
Sure.
food journey with you guys. Great. Should we go? नमस्कार, मैं हूँ दीप्ति भटनागर और आज सीईओ ब्रांच में मेरा ये दिन मेरे लिए बहुत ही खास है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू मीट माई वेरी वेरी डियर फ्रेंड्स तरुणा एंड प्रयासविन पटेल। इस दोस्ती की शुरुआत हुई थी एक बिजनेस डील से, जहाँ मैं पहले इनकी कंपनी एलिकॉन ग्रुप के लिए एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर अपॉइंट की गई थी और आज 2 साल के बाद इट फील्स लाइक कमिंग होम। Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to see your branch.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Presswin, for calling me here. And I want to know what you're cooking.
I'm cooking burnt ginger and garlic rice. I put olive oil, and after that, I put lots of garlic in it. And now I have to saute it till it turns absolutely red brown.
We need
Ginger
to
first,
we need to
Presswin.
burn it.
No, we need to add this both together, it'll turn brown. So you'll have to take that.
And now we're adding ginger.
Yes, now we are adding ginger.
तो ये आपकी स्पेशलिटी है, आपने ये कहाँ बनानी सीखी है?
मैंने ये पहले चखी थी. I had gone to Taj at Calcutta, and in one of the restaurants I had tasted this, and I had really loved it. So मैंने सोचा कि ये आके फिर से घर पे खाना पड़ेगा. So I asked Taru that I have the taste, and I would like to create this on my own.
Okay.
And then she helped me out with it, and now I have perfected it.
Oh, very good. So you helped him cooking this?
Well, I
and then-
was the taster really. You know, I told him you tasted it, you know what it, look like, and
Right.
so he told me the basic taste was more ginger, and then the garlic, and it was absolutely burnt and crispy.
Okay.
So I said, you do that.
इनफैक्ट मुझे ये तो मालूम था कि तरुणा बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती है, बट आप भी खाना बनाते हो इसका तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी अंदाजा नहीं था. सो दिस इज रियली
I can't cook everything, but I can cook a few things, but I cook with a lot of passion, and I really enjoy doing this because it also helps me relieve my stresses.
Actually, this dish is like that. It started with burnt ginger and garlic. I tasted and I suggested one extra item, which is what makes it very special, and we call it the lemon pepper. And,
सो इफ अगर हमारे
garlic.
पास लेमन पेपर का अगर रेडीमेड बॉक्स नहीं है तो इसको हम खुद भी बना सकते हैं.
Yeah,
इसी
it's
तरीके
crushed
से?
pepper, and when
Crushed pepper
crushed
and,
pepper, and then
we can now add
instead of
some
lemon pulp,
lemon
lime,
in
lemon.
it.
But
So lime juice.
But I've tried that.
Okay.
Because when we were tasting
Lime
this,
juice से अच्छा would be नींबू का फूल.
अच्छा. और जेस्ट भी नींबू का छिलका भी यूज कर सकते हैं घिस के, है ना?
Ginger,
वो भी कर
yeah.
सकते हैं. आई एम रियली वेटिंग टू ईट दिस
So it's
एंड वी
getting
नीड टू
crispier.
बर्न दिस गार्लिक एंड
Yeah.
जिंजर. तो बहुत इजी है ये डिश. सबसे पहले इन्होंने इसमें ऑलिव ऑयल डाला, फिर इन्होंने इसके अंदर लहसुन डाला और लहसुन को जब भून लिया तो उसमें ऐड किया जिंजर और अब इसे अच्छे से भूना जा रहा है. और जब तक ये लाल हो जाएगा तब तक मैं आपके बारे में थोड़ी सी और बातें जानती हूँ कि आपका लव फॉर फूड, कि आपको खाना कितना अच्छा लगता है, आपकी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज जो कुछ हो जो हमसे आप शेयर कर सकते हैं.
Sure.
सो टेल मी, व्हेन यू वर गोइंग टू इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज तो वहाँ पे हॉस्टल में खाना खाते थे या फिर आप कैंटीन जाते थे, या कभी ट्राई किया है कुछ खुद बनाने के लिए?
वैसे उस दिनों में तो ज़्यादा बाहर फूड साइड कैफेटेरियाज हॉकर्स के पास खाते थे.
बट तो सारे फ्रेंड्स एक अंडे वाले के यहाँ हैंग आउट करते थे, मैंने सुना था, जो वल्लभ नगर में है.
Yes.
सो अभी हमारा
I think,
डिश काफ़ी, अभी हमारी ये डिश
you
काफ़ी
want to
तैयार हो गई है.
add the rice.
इट्स एक्चुअली लुकिंग वेरी नाइस एंड क्रिस्पी नाउ. ओके, ऐड राइस.
Yes.
I can smell garlic, and that's burnt garlic smell is so nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now you mix it all together.
So these are pre-boiled rice. हमने इसे पहले से ही बॉईल करके रखा है.
I'm gonna add some
और आई थिंक
salt.
ये इजी भी है बनाने के लिए. Smells very good. इसकी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी आ रही है। इसमें आपने ऐड किया है अभी सॉल्ट और अब ये लेमन पेपर।
This is what makes it. Lots of lemon pepper.
Lots of lemon pepper.
ये लेमन पेपर में एडवांटेज ये है कि नॉट ओनली
Gives
it gives a very good taste,
Yeah.
but it changes the color.
Yeah.
थोड़ी ग्रीन चिलीज हम लोग ने डाली है, थोड़ा स्पाइसी टेस्ट आने लगा।
Yeah, I think spicy flavor is nice for this dish. है
Oh
ना?
yes.
इसको हम किस चीज़ के साथ खाएंगे वैसे? अगर हमें इसके साथ कुछ और डिश बनानी हो तो हम इसके साथ क्या बना सकते हैं?
Stir fry vegetables in hot sauce.
Hot sauce?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, any gravy, vegetable or curry, not spicy because it has its own taste.
Taste.
So Dipti, now you try. Prayasvin has given
lovely.
his opinion.
Okay, great.
You can see all the burnt garlic.
Very nice. Actually, you can taste that burnt garlic,
Garlic and ginger both, yeah.
And,
And
it's
also-
really nice. And I think
and very
that
crispy
It
also,
makes
right?
really this whole thing is more special because of lemon pepper. We can call Akansha also.
Yeah, Akanksha, come taste Papa's lemon rice. Oh, she enjoys it also.
Yeah?
So he makes it less spicy for them.
प्रेयसविन पटेल, इनको देखकर कौन कहेगा कि ये इतनी बड़ी कंपनी एलिकॉन ग्रुप के सीएमडी हैं। यहाँ पर ये मेरी और आपकी तरह एक आम आदमी है जिन्हें खाना बनाना पसंद है, खाना पसंद है और सबको खिलाना पसंद है। वेलकम बैक। मैं हूँ मिसेस तरुणा पटेल के साथ, जो कि एमटीसी ग्रुप की सीईओ हैं। मैं बहुत से फूडीज़ को जानती हूँ, लेकिन जो पर्सनल टच और पर्सनैलिटी तरुणा अपने खाने में लेके आती हैं वो बहुत ही यूनिक है। हाय तरुणा, now tell me about your baby. I would say baby क्योंकि मधुबन रिजॉर्ट आपका बेबी है। आपने लिटरली इसे बनाया है खुद, आपने और प्रेसविन ने, बट यू एक्चुअली टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल द डिटेलिंग। दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव सीन।
Yeah, basically you're very right. Prayasvin ने बनाया है और मैं अभी the developing part of the whole resort I am taking care of it with a lot of help with the team here. Basically I have two things already in my favor, which is the ambience and the location of the resort, the beautifully made buildings as well as the landscaping. I also have very good team of people here giving very good service. The third thing that we do try very hard, हम बहुत try कर रहे हैं कि हमारा food और beverage
Oh, I can vouch for that.
नहीं हम लोग
स्पेशली ये रेस्टोरेंट में जितने भी मैंने देखे इस रिजॉर्ट में, जितने भी रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, दे हैव योर टच इन इट। यू नो, इनफैक्ट आई नो कि इस जो रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं उसके लिए शेफ़ भी आप खुद पिक करती हैं।
जी।
इनफैक्ट आई थिंक द बेस्ट पार्ट है कि नॉन वेज किचन अलग है, वेजिटेरियन, इतनी डिटेलिंग है यहाँ पर।
वो इसलिए कि मैं खुद वेजिटेरियन हूँ, तो जब मैं कोई और जगह में जाती हूँ तो आई हैव टू पुट अप विद इट, बट आई थॉट कि दिस इज़ माई ओन, दिस इज़ आवर ओन, सो आई हैव दैट चॉइस, तो आई कैन गिव इट नॉट ओनली टू माई सेल्फ, मैं और लोगों को भी वो एडवांटेज दे सकती हूँ। स्पेशली हमारे यहाँ जब वेडिंग्स होते हैं तो दे आर वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट द वेज एंड नॉन वेज किचन्स, एंड सो आई हैव सेपरेट शेफ्स फॉर दोज एरियाज। आई हैव utensils also, cooking utensils are separate. You know, serving is common, you can't but then they get washed, so that is there. And I'm also looking into the food. I look into the recipes. of many items, and we have varieties of cuisines that is being served in all our restaurants.
कौन सी varieties के restaurants हैं यहाँ?
Okay, we have a coffee shop which is 24/7, which serves just about everything. It's a fusion dining experience, from South Indian to North Indian to Italian to Mexican, Gujarati, continental, I mean,
Yeah,
everything
I
you
know.
can think of, Chinese. We have a fine dining restaurant which has more of Far Eastern, the Asian cuisine. Then we are opening a new restaurant which is an Italian restaurant. Again, it's going to be a vegetarian Italian restaurant, because in this area, vegetarian is, you know, more
Accepted, and
accepted.
people like eating more vegetarian food here.
तो वो
Yeah.
totally हमने
Right.
vegetarian और outdoor भी है उसमें, and it is a brick oven, so
Okay.
wood fire
Wood fire.
pizzas,
Oh,
which is
lovely.
very rare in this area.
Area.
Or the last one is my baby, which is Mexican.
Yes.
Uh,
You are a fantastic Mexican cook.
I love
so
it. I love it.
It had to be
And
here.
it's a small tapas bar, and we are going to go and cook in that in
Wow.
a little while. But that is where my expertise may come in handy, because I've been cooking Mexican for the last 30 years, 35 years maybe. And it is something that I'm bringing to an area जहाँ कभी शायद कोई लोगों ने सुना भी नहीं होगा कि मैक्सिकन फूड जैसा है यहाँ हो सकता है. तो आई एम गिविंग दैट एक्सपीरियंस, और होपफुली कपल ऑफ इयर्स फ्रॉम नाउ देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ईटिंग
Yes.
मैक्सिकन फूड.
I want to ask you about something. आपका जन्म हुआ था अफ्रीका में. You were born in Africa. Then you moved to England, and then you moved to US. You were also flying in US, and then you got married, and then you came to India. So tell me something about your journey from Africa to London to US to here.
Yeah, you know, from Africa I went to London to do my high school, and then after UK I went to the USA because I wanted to join the airlines basically, and my parents were in the Bahamas. So I went to visit them, and I said, oh, I don't want to go back to UK, I want to go to USA, the weather is good and all that, you know. I went to Florida, went to school there, and so I joined the airlines, and that's when the fun began, you know, as far as my interest in cooking and learning about other cuisines of the world, as well as tasting them. Being a vegetarian, it was, you know, difficult, Dipti, but I managed, you know. When I was flying, I used to carry my own sandwich machines and make varieties of sandwiches in the hotel rooms. I used to
I
make
remember you telling me once that आप सबके लिए बना के भी लेके जाती
हाँ,
थी
बना के
एयरलाइन में.
लेके जाती थी. I used to take, you know, layered rice, which was like a biryani. I mean, I used to innovate a lot of things to eat on the plane, in the hotel rooms.
तो मैक्सिकन खाना कैसे आपने बनाना
That
शुरू किया?
was really, I was very lucky that my roommate, you know, from my training days till today, I'm in touch with her, was a Mexican friend, Graciela. And I learned all the Mexican food.
So
from,
you know, like authentic Mexican, because
Yeah,
you've learned from a Mexican.
yeah, you can say it's not that authentic. It's Tex-Mex. You know,
Acha,
it's more
Tex-Mex.
American
Okay.
Mexican. But that's what she knew, you know, because she is Mexican by birth, but she's been brought up in USA also.
Okay.
So that's how. But that's where I learned how to make Mexican. I got a taste for Mexican because she used to make, and you know, we used to have these arguments every now and then. Because when we were home together, I would make roti sabzi, and she would clean after me. So she said, "You cook, I clean." And then I'd say, "Would you like a roti?" And she says, "Tortilla." And I said,
Tortilla.
"No, roti." She said, "No, tortilla." You
Yeah,
know, we used to
roti
have-
को actually
So,
Mexican में tortilla ही कहते हैं वो
Yes,
लोग.
yeah.
So
And, you know, it is the cuisine is very similar to Indian,
Yes.
except the ingredients are different,
that's right.
and that's why we Indians enjoy
Yeah,
that cuisine.
they also like very spicy.
Yeah, the
and
jalapeno peppers.
yeah. Only thing is they put lots of cheese in everything.
Yeah. No, but their soups and everything.
soups are very, yeah.
It doesn't have. It's just like our dal.
Just like a dal.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do a lot of
So,
rajma and
the salsas-
rajma, salsa.
the
Salsa
salsas
is
are like our
tomato
chutneys.
and chutney. Yeah,
it's
tomato ke
chutneys.
chutney.
A lot of similarities. The Spanish rice
Yeah.
is like our bagara hoa rice.
That's right.
Tomato rice. and-
Absolutely. Yeah.
So
It's a
everything,
lot of
the
similarity.
Beans and they have
Yes.
many kinds of beans, lentils that we use.
Right.
So a lot of similarities. Maybe
Yeah.
there is an Indian influence.
Right.
I think it is said that when
So
in
we-
the olden days,
Right.
there must be the travelers from our south part of India who must have traveled to
that part,
Yeah.
and then that's why they
So
say,
that's
yeah.
why we have-
But so would you be cooking something for us today?
Oh yeah, I'd love to. I'm planning to make a few dishes very quickly for you guys.
Wow.
Some
Fantastic.
hopefully quesadilla, enchilada, whatever in the short time that we have.
Okay. And you know what? Something really interesting is that, as you know, ये मेरी भी बहुत ही favorite place है. We are sitting at Chai Bar, and Chai Bar is this really nice,
Casual,
casual
comfort zone.
comfort chai bar. So that's the name says it all.
Yeah, actually 4
लेकिन
o'clock
I
we
really
have
wanted to
pakoras.
ask you कि how you thought of chai bar, because ये इतना यूनिक है कि मैंने किसी भी रिजॉर्ट में कहीं नहीं देखा है वर्ल्ड वाइड. इतना ट्रैवल करती हूँ मैं.
I'll tell you, I'm a chai freak.
अच्छा.
Okay, anywhere I go, any part of the world,
Thank
I travel. I carry my own chai ka saman.
Acha.
Even if it is for one night, like I'm traveling tomorrow to my ashram, I'm going to carry my chai ka kitli,
Saman, everything.
It's ready, it's packed.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, thank you.
especially in the winter months,
Yeah.
the cool air and all that, you want to have something garam garam. And you
Yeah.
can sit over here. Evening, the atmosphere with the breeze, the birds and all that, you want to sit out and not indoors.
Yeah.
So this was a perfect location, between the cottages and the main building
Yeah.
and this building. So it's a perfect location.
And I want to ask you, how many types of teas you have here?
I've lost count, but from what I see over there, at least 10 to 12 varieties.
10 to 12 varieties. Okay. And they're hand-picked, freshly brewed tea you get here.
Yeah, depending upon, of course, some of them you need to brew, some of them you just, have it at the table. We give it to you in a cup and
Okay.
you can brew
Nice.
it as long or as little as you want.
Okay.
And most of these teas are individually prepared.
Okay.
Okay, you can say almost at the table
Right.
because they put it in the.
तो ये चाय बार बहुत यूनिक है. यहाँ पे कितनी टाइप की चाय है जो आप सर्व करते हैं इसमें?
I've lost count, but करीबन 10 या 12, 15 पता नहीं.
और
We
मेरे
keep
ख्याल से
changing.
यहाँ पर जो चाय है, उलोंग टी है, सिनेमन